And welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy. Around is my kitchen, and behind the camera is Michael. Michael, say hi to everyone.
Hey, everyone.
And as you can see, Ginger and Teddy, they're somewhere around. I think Teddy's sitting over there, and Ginger's sniffing or Flora, Michael. But anyway, as you can see, Michael, if you turn the camera around, can you like stop? If you turn the camera around, you can see that I got a pot of water here. Well, that pot of water, what I did was I put 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. This garlic that I have over here, I want to show you, okay? And then I put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in there, and I put 1 tablespoon of salt. Now the reason why I put that is because we are gonna make 4 cheese ravioli, and this is something that is done like real quick. So what I want to do is I'm gonna put it in. It's gonna be like 2 minutes, and then after it rise up, it'll be ready to go because this is done really fast. This cost me $5.98 at my supermarket across the street. They have them all over different supermarkets. They're like handmade by the deli, and they're like fresh. They're not actually frozen. They're just like refrigerated. And then as you can see, this is what they look like. I can smell the cheese. You can smell the cheese. You can smell it, right?
It smells like Parmesan.
Yeah, it has 4 cheese, and the 4 cheeses is what? It says it right there.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Wait. Ricotta, mozzarella, parmigiano, and romano.
Okay, now before we put that, I want to show you. I put my sauce here. I put 2 jars
2
of marinara sauce.
Let me take a look.
They're only $1.99.
Just 2 jars of sauce?
There's 1. I'm gonna cover just the thing here because it gives the name of the supermarket. I don't want to do that because I don't, just in case, you know what I'm saying. So I put 2 jars of marinara sauce. I have fresh parsley here, as you can see.
Parsley bush, parsley bush.
Cut my parsley, as you can see it. I put it over here, so I'm gonna get a bunch because I went to the night. I'm gonna throw in my marinara sauce, and that marinara sauce, I just put 2 jars in there. A bunch of parsley that you saw me. Now you see this. This is basil.
Wait. Let me see.
It gives it a sweet taste.
Oh, okay.
Basil leaves.
Organic.
And it's very good. This
Organic.
So I'm gonna put a little bit there, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of oregano.
All right. Can I see?
Just a little bit. I just took like a little pinch, squash it, minced it in between my fingers, and that's it. And then
Duster up.
4 tablespoons of dark brown sugar.
Okay.
Because you gotta like give your stuff, you know what I'm saying, a little spicy spice.
I like
now
that.
Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the flame on high because we want to heat this up because we want that to be ready as soon as the tortellinis are ready.
All right, so 2 things going at once.
Not the tortellini, the raviolis.
Yes.
I just came from the gym, so if I sound a little bit like going too fast, it's because, like I said, I just got back from the gym. So
sorry,
I shouldn't
Mom.
have done that, but I'm just gonna throw all of them in there.
Oh, that's perfect.
There they are.
That's beautiful.
And then we're just gonna let that,
Float around.
boil.
Oh, yeah.
And as soon as they start, like, you see how they start coming up, that means it'll be done right away in a little time. So anyway, with that, I'm gonna let you guys go now because soon that's gonna be done, and when we come back is because it's gonna be done. We're gonna be taking it out of there. You'll be seeing when I put him through the water in my thing here.
The colander.
My colander, when I drain it, you'll be seeing that. But it's gonna be kind of like a video without me talking.
All right.
And then at the end, we'll come back when this is done, and we'll put this in a plate with our sauce and with some grated cheese on the top. It's gonna be delicious, and I'm gonna serve that for my son Michael and for my husband James.
Thank you, Mama.
So anyway, with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, on Instagram, like us on Facebook. Don't forget to press the notification button so you can get all these videos that we do like sporadically like this. But this is what I like to do. I go to the gym, came back, hey, I'm hungry.
Oh, yeah.
Let's make some cheese ravioli. So this is what we got. And also in the link below, Michael, I'm going to let you do that there because you're good with that.
Click that Patreon
Take it
link.
on.
Donate $1. Hit that Pinterest link. I just inserted it into the videos,
Put the camera there so
everybody.
people can see that
$1 in the Patreon. And also go to our Pinterest, see photos of our food, see
Yep.
different categories of our food, cakes, muffins,
Pies.
everything,
We have no
chicken,
pies.
beef. I'm working on it.
Yeah,
it's
we're working
looking
on this.
beautiful.
But look, I want people to see how they're boiling. See
I guess
how
we're not
pretty they
coming
are?
back because we're already here,
Well,
and it's done.
no, they're not done yet, but they're going to be
Almost.
done soon, almost.
We shouldn't even go.
This is like 3 minutes. So
Stay
we're not
here
gonna
with the
go.
fans.
You said so. I said we're gonna go.
Stay
So
right
we're not gonna
here.
go.
Stay right
We're gonna stay right here, and I'm
here.
gonna take Oh, we don't have no cheese, Michael. We're gonna have to get. We have
Cheese it up. Cheese. No cheese.
Feta cheese crumbles.
But how can you put cheese on cheese?
Well, you on top of.
Oh, okay. I know what you're saying. For some reason, I thought you were gonna put the cheese in the
I need you
pasta.
to try one of these. Okay, give me a little plate.
Little plate, little
This is done like real fast. Like,
That fast?
Yeah, it's like tortellinis. Remember we made tortellinis before, right?
Oh yeah.
It's just the same concept. You know, they're done like real fast. Hold on a second. You know, you gotta try it because it's flour and Mama cannot have it.
Nope. So I'll eat it.
Here.
Here. Let me get that.
Yeah, open up.
Me too.
If it's not good, you spit it out. Here. Oh, that one. Eat it. You're eating it. Why are you eating it? Oh, they're done? Oh, they need a little bit.
I think they're done.
They're done. They look done to me.
They're good too.
Yeah. So,
You don't want to overcook it.
no, I don't want to over... And I can smell them. Wow, look how pretty that looks.
Let
I
me
want
see.
everybody to see. And
Oh,
at
yeah.
the same time as you take it, you can get a little facial. Okay, here, Michael.
Oh, should I take a little pic? Wait, hold it right there.
Okay.
All right, for the fans and for everybody. It's going to be the thumbnail, guys. Wait. One more.
Okay. I'm going to drain them. Hurry up. It's hot, Mike.
All right.
So I'm gonna drain them in this little blue little colander that I have for you. I got me a big one too.
Woo,
You know, but this one. Should I put a little bit of cold water?
I don't think you're supposed to put water on pasta.
Yes, cold, so they can cool off and they get nice and because they still keep on. The thing about pasta is if you don't put cold water, they keep on. They're still cooking. You see?
Right.
They're still. I want you to try one of these. Here,
But I
take that
just
one like
did.
that. I know. Try another one, and tell me that they're really. See, just a little bit like this. Right?
Trying to focus the
Because
camera.
that's what it's doing right there. Is stopping.
It's not focusing. It's okay.
Exactly.
I'm gonna try it,
See
everyone.
this? And this is gonna be. This is done right away. It's delicious. It's for you and Dad. I made it. Okay. Look at that.
Delicious.
Huh? What do you think about that?
Too
Huh?
good.
So I'm gonna make a little bit for that right now. Look, and me saying, "Oh, we'll be back." We don't even have to be back, right, Mike?
Nope,
gonna
nobody
put-
has to be back.
I'm gonna put that in here, right, Mike?
Mm-hmm.
You think he was hungry right now?
Oh yeah, serve it up, serve it
I'm gonna
up.
serve yours.
Yes.
Just put it over there. What do you
Ooh.
think? Right?
Oh yeah.
Turn this sauce off. And the fan is very loud. Okay.
Go ahead.
Get a
Moment of
lot
truth.
of them there. See that? Put some more over here. I wish I could have some of these. It's really, really like thing, you know?
Oh,
So I'm gonna give this one to Dad. What do you think?
what do I
The one that is less. And I'm gonna give that one to you. Yes, no, what?
Yes.
Okay.
I love cheese.
Okay. So let me put some sauce on that right now. See that? My sauce is done.
Beautiful.
And I don't have
And how much did that cost?
$5.98.
So you can feed the whole family for $5.96.
Well, not the whole family.
Well, if they were just eating
I'm gonna
tortellini.
use the same sauce and I'll make Junior a little bit of pasta on the side.
Ooh, sauce it up, sauce it up.
See that? Look at that. And all you do is drop it right down on the top. Eh?
Drop it up, drop it up.
And wish I had a little queso. The only queso that I have is the other one, Michael.
It's okay because this is beautiful.
Is Dad gonna complain and say that that's too much that I gave him?
No,
What do you think? No? That's gonna be good?
no, that's
Because I
perfect.
feed him too much?
What?
No.
Guys,
Sometimes-
comment in
Sometimes
the
he thinks I give him too much.
comment
He says,
below
"Oh."
if you guys think this is too much food. We're gonna solve that right now.
Yeah, because
Our fans are gonna let us
you
know.
saw it, just the sauce makes it look, you know what
Yeah.
I'm saying?
Oh, my camera's been on focusing lately.
I'm gonna put a little bit of this feta cheese.
Ooh.
A little bit on the top like that.
Feta cheese, feta cheese.
And this is gonna be for your dad. Hold on, Mike. I'm gonna do the same thing to you. It's just the sauce, and then hold on. I'm gonna put a little bit of a thing on the top to make it look nice, right, Mike? One for you and one for that. And I think with that, now we're gonna let everybody go. And I hope everybody enjoys. And if you want to duplicate it, go ahead. You know, they're in the bag already. All you need is a jar of sauce. Jar of sauce of marinara is $2. I like the marinara because it just goes with everything, you know, and it's a sauce that almost everybody likes. And it cries Italian. It has, you can see your tomatoes, cut up tomatoes in there. You see them?
Oh yeah.
You see? And it's really good. So you know what to do. Subscribe, press the notification button, go down on our link down, and that's it. And enjoy your food, and don't drink and drive, and be good. And we love you, and we'll give you another episode of Cindy's Kitchen to come, maybe later on. Love you now.